The writing and literature program at ATU is both creative and critical. So we cover creative writing, all forms and genres, but there's also a critical element. So where we study the history of great literature, I think really one of the core strengths is that if you want to be a good writer, you have to be a good reader. And so we combine both elements, and I think it works really, really well. It's a 3-year program, level 8. Each semester you'd have several modules. So there will be creative practice where you will learn, say, poetry or how to write a short story or fiction and so on. And there'll also be critical modules. And I think what works very, very well, and it's built into the program, is that the critical and the creative modules speak to each other. The assignments are quite creative. Rather than writing a traditional essay, you might be asked to write a book review or do a film review or something like that. It's all about finding structure for your writing, discipline, daily practice. So I think, again, it's a balance of the critical and creative throughout.
The Writing Literature program at ATU, it's a program that combines the academic approach to literature criticism with a creative approach. So the aim is to bring those two things together. In 4th and 3rd year, at that point, they found their voice and they found their strengths. So they do a portfolio in the 3rd year, which is where they put a lot of their focus into what they want to learn more about and what they're good at. And often people will be really beginning the projects that they will go on to work on professionally.
We've had people go on to do MAs in librarianship, in publishing, in creative writing, in straightforward English literature degrees. But we've got people who've gone on to work in the arts and culture industry, both as writers, but also as editors, publishers, curators. So I think there's much more scope if you embrace the whole eclectic nature of the program. And I think it's very important for our students and prospective students to know you must remain open-minded. But you're also going to be exposed to the different art forms. And you may be surprised that you end up specialising in screenwriting or TV writing. So I think there's plenty of scope. You just need to bring plenty of enthusiasm.
The Word happens once a month.